It's my favorite place in SM.
Promo starts October 1 for UH FDA CCR permit number 0698 series of 2019.
Okay, so let's see what's inside my Watson's bag. Baby, hi! Say hi! Sanaan na siyang mag-haul. Ano yan, baby? What's that? Hi guys! Good evening! So, gagawa kami ng haul ngayon with Yani and Pinky the Monkey! Hi! Say hi! Yani, oh. Okay, so let's start. Give me that one. Okay, so galing kami ng Watson's kanina. So, mag-beauty haul or mag-Watson's haul lang kami for a while. So, eto, Dove soap. Then, conditioner namin, cream silk. Of course, detergent bar. Johnson's baby soap. Tapos itong Silk Secrets with argan oil. So, hot oil treatment siya. 1 minute na hot oil treatment. So, no need na magpunta ng salon. So, ito ay for damage-free hair, makes hair soft and silky. Behave. Next is itong spa milk salt para papaputi sa mga singit, kilikili. So, yan siya. Next is Dove shampoo. Then, toothpaste. Labay. What else? You throw, baby. Last sticker na lang siya. So, good afternoon everyone. So, Good afternoon everyone. So, I'm about to unbox my new Starbucks planner. Okay, so planner siya for 2020. Okay, so yan. Okay, so ever since the world began, nag-collect na ako ng Starbucks planner ko. So, you have to complete 18 stickers para makakuha ka ng ganitong planner. So, may other designs din siya. May planner, may organizer din. but I prefer to have this pink planner. So, eto yung parang box niya, guys. Naka dark green na box. Then may name na Starbucks 2020 planner. Then yung texture ng box niya, may parang mga monogram. Yan. Starbucks, mga logos ng Starbucks. Tadang! So here it is. Ito yung pouch niya na pink. Ang texture ng cloth ng pouch is parang velvet siya. Velvet na pink, then may Starbucks. Metal. Then may zipper. Okay. So yung zipper niya from the side papunta dito sa taas. So yan. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. Then ito na yung planner itself. So open na natin. Okay, so here na. Parang siyang old rose. Ang color niya sa personal, it's like old rose. Yan siya. Then may pink garter. Then from bean to cup. Starbucks. Okay, so may stickers pa rin. Naka-gold siya. Gold color yung mga stickers. So, ito na yung pages niya. So, I love collecting planners kasi parang ginagawa ko siya ng parang reminders notebook ko, yung mga important details, important notes, dito ko nilalagay. Then, sometimes if we have plans to travel, dito ko rin sinusulat yung mga ginagawa kong research. Okay, so gamit na gamit talaga siya as planner sa akin. Okay, so sa back part, may mga blank pages siya. So you can write whatever you want. Then may mga discount coupons pa rin siya. So, like the old planners, ganun din. Yung every month, may parang promo siya. So, you can be guided sa mga promo nila. And you can avail. Okay, so yan yung back part niya. Yan siya. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.